everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your birthday on Likee. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Likee application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you open up your profile, go ahead and click on Edit. Once you open up this Edit Profile section, go to the birth field and tap on it. Now, select your birth year from the toggle menu. Make sure to choose the correct one this time and click on Confirm. And there you have successfully changed your birth date on Likee. If your birthday is locked or not editable, you may need to contact the Likee support directly through the help and feedback section. And that's how you know how you can change your birthday on Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.